I get asked a lot how to make the perfect risotto, and here are a few of my tips. Number one, make sure you agitate the pan and stir your risotto frequently. By doing that, we're releasing the starch from the rice, and that is going to result in a lovely creamy result. Now, most risotto recipes will call for a 20-minute cooking time. I actually like to cook mine for about 16 to 17 minutes. Yes, I know that's accurate, but you want a little bit of time for it to settle. When it's settling, that's when it'll completely cook and it'll be the perfect consistency. Next, butter. You need to add lots of butter to this. Nice cold knobs of butter, and we're just going to slowly melt that in. Now, this is just a simple saffron risotto. So one finely chopped onion with some rice, a little bit of white wine, and then really good quality stock. And what I've done is place some saffron threads in the chicken stock, and that's why we get that beautiful colour. Now, once it's cooked, I always leave a ladle full of that stock, and we just pop that in as we turn the heat off, and just let that sit for a moment while we add freshly grated parmesan and just fold that through. And every Italian cook will tell you, don't serve it straight away. Let it rest for a few moments. Now let's talk about plating up. There are two ways to do it. Yes, you can put it in a gorgeous pasta bowl just like this one, but I find in restaurants they tend to go for a plate. By plating it up, we're not overheating the rice, and I love this way because it also looks really beautiful. So grab yourself a ladle, and we'll get a generous amount of our creamy saffron risotto. We'll place this in the centre of this gorgeous plate, and I just love the blue against that pastel yellow. Then with the palm of our hand, we tap the base of the plate, and you can see that this plate is perfectly designed because we've got that little rim. So we can take the risotto all the way to the sides. Oh, look at that, a ray of sunshine. To finish it off, a risotto's never done without some crunch. So I've got some toasted almonds. We'll sprinkle that over the top. A little extra parmesan, get little flakes of fresh parmesan over the top. And for an extra pop of colour, some herbs. So you could just use some parsley if you like. I've got these cute little micro herbs. We'll just sprinkle that over the top. So next time you're making risotto at home, why not take it to the next level and make it look restaurant quality on stunning plates?